What if you can enroll a personal phone or iPad into Intune without the user ever touching the company portal app and without even needing an Apple ID for the App Store? That is exactly what Web Based Device Enrollment lets you do. And today I am showing you the complete setup for it. This is built specifically for BYOD devices. It removes the dependency on the company portal app, and it does not require your user to have an Apple account for App Store login. But here's the catch almost nobody talks about. This setup only actually works if you configure three pieces together: Web-based device enrollment, just-in-time registration, and the Microsoft Authenticator app. Miss even one of these, and I am going to show you exactly what breaks. So stick with me through each one. Let's get started. Click on Devices. Under Device Onboarding, click Enrollment. Click Apple and select Enrollment Types. Click Create Profile and select iOS/iPadOS. Put a name and description as you like, and click Next. Under Enrollment Type, select Web-based Device Enrollment. Now target this policy based on your organization's needs. In this demo, I will select All Users. Click Next, review the profile, and click Create. That is piece 1 done. Now on the device side, the end user will open Safari app, and please note, Web-based device enrollment only works through Safari, not any other browser. The user will open a URL, portal.manage.microsoft.com/enrollment/webenrollment/iOS. The user will be asked to log in. At this point, Safari may ask you to switch to mobile view so that it can correctly detect whether the device is an iPhone or an iPad. Just follow the on-screen instructions to switch to mobile view. Click on Get Started, which will begin downloading a management profile, and select Allow. Now go to the Settings app, and you will see the profile downloaded. Click on Profile Downloaded and click Install. It will ask you to confirm the install one more time, and once you do, the device gets enrolled successfully into Intune. Now click on General, then click VPN and Device Management. Click on Management Profile and look for Device Identity Certificate. The GUID you see there is your Intune Device ID. If you check the Intune Admin Console now, you'll find that same device ID showing up under Apple mobile devices. However, if you notice closely, the Entra Device ID still shows up as an empty GUID, which tells us that enrollment alone is not enough. Workplace join and Entra registration have not happened yet. This is a trap a lot of admins fall into. The enrollment looks successful. The device shows up in Intune, so it feels like the job is done. But as far as Entra is concerned, this device does not exist yet. This is exactly why the next two pieces are not optional. They are what actually closes that gap. The second piece is just-in-time registration. Click on Devices. Under Manage Devices, click Configuration. Click Create. Click New Policy. Select Platform as iOS/iPadOS. Select Profile Type as Templates. Select Device Features and click Create. Give it a name and description as you like, and click Next. Now select Single Sign-On App Extension. Select the SSO app extension type as Microsoft Entra ID. Set Enable Share Device Mode to Not Configured and leave App Bundle IDs empty. Now add an additional configuration. Key equals device _ registration. Type equals string. Value equals a placeholder for device registration. Add one more configuration. Key equals browser _SSO _interaction _enabled. Type equals integer. Value equals 1. Click Next and target this to your BYOD user group. In this demo, I will target all users. Click Next, review the policy, and click Create. That is piece 2 done. Now for the third and final required piece, the Microsoft Authenticator app. Without this app on the device, just-in-time registration has nothing to trigger through, so this step cannot be skipped either. If you have a VPP app available, use that since it skips the need for the user to log into the App Store. If a VPP app is not available, just use the regular Microsoft Authenticator app from the store. Click Apps, select Microsoft Authenticator, click Properties, Edit Assignments, and under Required, target your BYOD user group. In this demo, I will use all users. Click Review plus Save and click Save. With all three pieces now in place, here's what happens. The moment a user logs into any Microsoft app, the device will automatically workplace join and Entra register on its own. In this demo, I am going to log into the Outlook app to trigger that. Since we already targeted the Microsoft Authenticator app, you will see it installing automatically in the background first. Now let's log into Microsoft Outlook. As you see the screen that says preparing your device, that is a device actively attempting to workplace join. Now if we go back into the Intune admin portal and check that same Intune Device ID, we will see the Entra Device ID is now populated. And just like that, with all three pieces working together, the device is fully enrolled in Intune and also registered and workplace join in Entra. If this walkthrough helped you understand why all three of these pieces are required together, drop a like. It really helps the channel, and subscribe for more Intune and Apple device management tutorials. I will see you in the next one.